okra water for 5 days and see changes. On this video, I'll be talking about amazing benefits of okra water, the reason why you should drink okra water, and what it does in your body. I love talking about this topic because it's something that I've tried. I've experienced it and I've seen changes in my body. So I bring it to you guys to show you amazing benefits of okra water, why you should drink it, the best time to drink okra water, and how to make your okra water, and different ways you can enjoy your okra water, because there's so many ways you can enjoy your okra water. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming across my video, my name is Chimazu Precious. I'm a student nurse and also a microbiologist. Please subscribe to my channel, like, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. For my return subscribers, I love you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's talk about benefits of okra water. Number one, okra water increases your libido and makes you juicy. In case if you want to be sweet in the middle. For women, it increases vaginal lubrication. For men, it increases sperm count and motility. If you are always dry while having sex, okra water will help you. It will boost your hormone. Okra water will help you reduce dark spots in your body. Okra water will help prevent constipation. It will also help in digestion. It helps pregnant women for smooth delivery. 2 weeks before your estimated due date and during labor, you need to drink okra water. It helps balance blood sugar, lower calories in your body, fight against cancer, and make your skin, your hair glow, everything in your body. There's so many ways you can enjoy your okra water by using pineapple, lime, orange, cucumber, any fruits of your choice. By blending them, sieve out the shelf, use the water, mix it with okra water. You are good to go. The taste is out of this world. For those that find it difficult to drink only okra water, you can do it this way by mixing it with your fruits, and the taste will be nice. You will love it. You're going to love it. It's very nutritious. It relieves menstrual cramps. That's number one change I saw in my body. It promotes heart health. It also makes your skin glow. Okra is rich in folate, fiber, vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, antioxidants, and many more.
Take 4 to 5 fresh okra or any quantity of your choice. Wash them very well to remove dirty and other particles. Then slice the okra, cut them into smaller pieces. After cutting them, get a clean glass or bottle or any rubber of your choice, anyone you have in the house. Pour the sliced okra inside your glass or any rubber you are using. Then add water. If you are making a bigger quantity or your rubber is bigger than mine, you want it in a big quantity, add enough water, then cover it and soak overnight. In the morning, you bring out the sliced okra inside the water and your okra water is ready for drink. The final result in the morning. Ooh, that was crazy, man.
Okra water can be consumed at any time, but first thing in the morning is the best. Drinking okra water on empty stomach helps to boost your metabolism. If you have other benefits, please drop it on the comment section so that other people will see it and also learn from it. Thank you. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.